Hi besties, I want to show you this desk I got from Sedata Life Furniture. They sent this to me to use and I have been using this since July for my whatnot shows. This would be great for a little corner desk for someone in high school or college. You get this shelf on the bottom to store things. There's a drawer at the top. It's actually small but mighty. There's a lot of room on top of this desk, more than I thought there would be. It's about 31.5 inches. It was very, very easy to put together. We had it put together in about, I would say, an hour. Like I said, I use it for all my whatnot shows. It's really sturdy, durable. There's ample storage space. You can use it in all kinds of applications, maybe a small corner in your living room, a bedroom, a study room. Put your books, computers, home decorations, anything you want on this desk, and it will fit perfectly. It's really a good desk. I'm really surprised with the quality. And so here I'm just going to show you a little bit of the website and how it looks without all the stuff I have on it. So it's a very small but mighty desk. You can even use it as a vanity desk in your bathroom. It would be a good place to put on your makeup if you wanted to use it for that. I really like that it's very versatile, very space-saving. You have a 365-day warranty on these desks, a 30-day return policy. They ship very fast. I will make sure to leave all the links below for this desk. And yeah, all the links will be below. Please check it out. Check out their other furniture. There's a lot of great styles and designs and easy installation on these. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching this part, and I'll see you in a minute.
Hi, besties. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video of the desk. Make sure to check out Sedata Furniture for desks and other kind of furniture. I will make sure to leave the link below to that desk and to their website or their Amazon store. So please make sure to check them out. Let's get into this Temu haul. Yeah, so let's just have at it, right? Shall we? Ow, I just stabbed myself in the face. What am I doing? I'm so excited. Stopping on Dunkin' on the way home. This is a large frozen coffee with pumpkin spice in it. And pumpkin swirl cream whipped topping. Had to have the whipped topping. All right, gonna be a short haul, so let's just go through this, I guess. It's kind of super random, you guys, super random. I got a wig grip, and I wanted to do this haul because I want to send this wig grip out with a wig that I have for somebody. So this was $3.49. I like to wear it in this darker shade. If you have like any kind of darker root, actually I might not send her this one. I might send a lighter one because the root is like lighter. But anyways, this one has that silicone strip across the front here. Now it does have the Velcro adjuster, but that's fine. But I love the ones that have this silicone strip because they really stay on well. So that was $3.49. That is a steal, by the way, for a wig grip. Okay, I don't know why I bought this. It's like tape you would put over a bandage, but it's got hearts on it. Like, okay, Jen, why'd you need that? Don't know. It was $1.14. Sometimes if I get like a cut on my finger, my hands, because I do paperwork a lot, I like just to like wrap a little bit of this around it instead of putting a band-aid on it. And I find that this stays longer and stays better, and I just like to keep it covered. So that's usually what I use these for. So that little thing was $1.14. Probably not the best deal in the world, right? But here we are. All right, then I bought this because we're going to try this on one of my wig videos. It's like a silicone strip material. The thing is, I don't think it's going to work because the one side's really slick, so I'm like, there's no way that's gonna work. So I don't know if that's gonna work or not. It was $1.29. Now what you can use this for, I was literally just gonna wrap it around my head, you know, like where a wig grip would be, but I don't think it's gonna work just because that one side is not, there's no texture to it. It's like literally slippery. But I will tell you what you can do with this is right where your part is right here, you can place silicone tape under that and it'll make it like brighten up so it looks a little bit more natural. So that is one thing you can use the silicone tape for. But as you can see, it's kind of shiny on this side, but not on this side. So I don't think it's gonna work for me because I can't use it, like, slippery is no good for me in the wig world. So $1.29 for that. Then I got one of these nail tools. It's got the pusher and like a cutter. I don't know what the technical term is for those. The pusher and the cutter is what I'm calling it. It was $1.70. It is stainless steel. And here comes Kermit, our favorite Temu cat hauler. He always shows up for a Temu haul. But it's got the push on the one end and then it's kind of sharp on that end. Hopefully you can see that. And that's like stainless steel, and I like to push my cuticles back with those. And I always lose these. It's like a sock. Like, I'm missing socks as much as I'm missing these. They just disappear. By the way, I come down to film and this was on my desk. I wonder where this came from. Kermit, was that you? I'm gonna throw it for him. There he goes. I had a feeling he was up on my desk. Call me crazy. Okay, then let me find the... Guys, I don't know what I did with the... Oh, maybe it's this. Okay, this is a necklace. Now, they're saying gray pearl. I'll tell you what. I think I bought these before. And it says on the clasp 925, which would be a silver clasp, okay? So the clasp opens up like this, which is actually a really good clasp, okay? But whether it is 925 silver or not, I mean, I don't know how they could say it is when it isn't, but it says 925 on there. And it's a really long set of glass pearls. And I'll tell you what, these are nice. For $4.69, these are superb. Look at the luster on them. Like, really, really pretty. You know, you can double them up. You can wear them really long. I like to hang a pendant off of these. Sometimes like a jewel-cade pendant. Really beautiful, and they're heavy. So I might go back in and buy a few more of these. Because for $5, honestly, if this is real sterling silver, the clasp is amazing. The clasp is amazing. I don't know if you can even really see it, but you like push down on it and then this end comes out. But it's really nice. So I don't, $4.69 for these is amazing. Because if they even are glass, that's really good quality. Okay, and here was another set of pearls. These were $11.96. $12? $12, Jen? Seriously? Seriously, though? What are you thinking? They're gorgeous, though. I'll give them that. I'll give them that. They're gorgeous. Here is the clasp. Sorry, let me move my drink. The clasp is gorgeous. It's just like, you know, you pull the hook up. Like so. And it's got some rhinestones, which look really nice. And then the necklace is gorgeous. It's got some... like a silvery cut. It looks like rhinestones, but there's not rhinestones in there, I don't think. I think it's just the way that it's cut. But how good would these two look together? You know what I mean? So, you know, I love necklaces. Like, I'm so into necklaces, you guys. So, look how pretty that would be. I even think the clasp would be pretty in the front because it's beautiful. And you know what? There's a clasp on both sides. So you could I think, yeah, you can unclasp either side. So that's kind of awesome, I guess. It's the little things, you guys. It's the little things. There we go. So see how pretty that is? I mean, that's really pretty. But here's the clasp, but the clasp looks good just in the front, you know? I hope you can see it. Look how pretty it is. Really, really shiny and pretty. It feels really nice. $11 though, Jen? Come on now. Come on. What in the world, girl? All right, so then I got these. These are like those things you can put on shirts to like pucker them, cinch them, ruche them, zhuzh them, whatever word you want to use. This was $2.48. I think you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, I think. In different sizes. So you get 2 of the little ones, and these are like white with like silver speckles. Speckles? Glitter? I don't know. And then you get 2 of the larger ones. But you just like stick the shirt through like that and it'll hold it. So if you like wanted to cinch not your breast area, but you could pull this. I'd put it underneath my shirt and like pull it through. You know what I mean? So it would cinch. I'm really bad at showing things like that. This shirt's not the one to show, but whenever I do use this, I'll show you guys how I use it. But you get 4 of them for 2 something, so that's not bad. 4 of those for $2.48. And yes, the cats are down here playing. Of course they are. All right, I got a couple of coins. The reason I like getting these coins is because I think they would look super adorable like hanging from a necklace. So I need to find like bezel settings for these or some type of a setting to put these coins in. This one says Liberty 1800. And then on the back it has United States of America, something, something. So there's that one. That one was $2.96. And this one was $1.67. But I just think these would look so pretty on like a necklace. You know what I mean? This one, oh, this one's really pretty. It says Liberty, in God We Trust, 1900. Right there. And then on the back, it has the eagle and it says United States of America, 1 ounce fine silver, $1. I mean, I'm sure they're not real silver, but I just think they would look really pretty as like a pendant. So I would like to find like a bezel setting for these to put on a pendant. So that's why I got those. Oh, let's check this out. $3.31. It's a necklace that it's a bracelet that matches this. Yes. Matchy matchy. Come on, matchy matchy. Airtight bag. Ooh. Now the bracelet was $3.31, so not bad. $3.31. Really cute. It literally looks just like the necklace. Just like that. It has the same clasp. That's really pretty. It looks really small though. Like really small. I'll be lucky if I can get it around my wrist. Ooh, you guys, I don't even know if it's not even gonna fit my wrist. So I'm probably gonna either put it in a giveaway or give it to somebody because it's beautiful. It is absolutely stunning. Like, look at that clasp. Look at that. I mean, it's gorgeous. Like it's gorgeous. So I don't know, maybe I'll give it as a set and I won't keep this and I'll give them away together. So I don't know, but that was $3.31. I don't think that's too bad for a bracelet. The necklace at $12 though. Oh, that's a lot. All right, then I got these nails in a size large. They are large and in charge. They were $2.33. These are cute. They're like that mint. I love this color, you guys. This like minty Tiffany blue green. I don't even know what to call it. Light turquoisey color with the gold. Is that gold? Yeah. Yeah, those are cute. Those are really cute. $2.33 for those. And then I have another pair here that are also really nice. $5.90. Oh my gosh, $5.90. $5.90 is a sight cheaper than what I would pay to have my nails done at a salon though. So that's how I look at it. And these can be reused. Like, they actually look pretty good even if they fall off. Like, you can totally reuse these. They're so good you can totally reuse them. So, you know, don't think they're like a one and done. But yeah, these were $5.90. I got these in a large as well. These are really cute. What do you think of these? What do you guys think of these? They're like a purpley theme, and then there's like a purple heart, and there's some like holographic with the white with the purple. I think they're kind of cute. What do you guys think? You like those? $5.90. Is it worth $5.90? Let me know. Let me know what you think. All right, did I open this one yet? Let's see. This must be another pair of nails. Set, not pair. Oh no, those are the ones I just showed you guys. Okay, moving on. So then I got these. Now, I saw these at Dollar Tree like a while ago, but I didn't get them. And I'm like, oh, why didn't you get those? So these were $1.29, and these are way smaller than the ones there, but you get 3. But what I'm going to use these for is, you know how when you get like to the bottom of anything, you have like a cream foundation or your favorite, you know, primer or whatever. and you get to the bottom and you want to get the rest out to like utilize everything that you've paid for, because a lot of pump bottles, there'll be several ounces left in there, you know, not ounces, but you know what I mean. So you get a short one and it has like this scoop at the end, and then you get a medium length one and you get the long one. So if you, depending on the size of your bottle, you know, you'll be able to get down in there. And so those three things were $1.29. All right, last but certainly not least, and you're probably wondering why my glasses are in my head, I had to stop for just a brief moment. I got this stapler. It was $6.78. Why did I do that, you wonder? Good question. It's probably for some whatnot stuff. But how cool is it? Looks pretty cool, right? And then I believe these are staples. So these were $1.94. Maybe they are. I don't even know. Are they? Or maybe not. No, it's a stamp. Okay, well maybe I didn't get staples. Or I hope I have staples upstairs, you guys. Or I'm gonna be mad. Okay, so anyways, I got a stapler. I thought it was kind of nice. And then I got this stamp for, what'd I even say? Where's the package? $1.94. And it's like says daily. Now the stamp's called daily payment, but it's got like the date and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So if maybe you're doing some journaling or whatever, you can put the date down, or Bible journaling, or, you know, whatever. So that's why I bought that. Or maybe you're just going to use it for junk journaling. So that would be cool too. So yeah, I hope I got staples. Of all things, I guess I didn't buy staples. Does this do something special too, or no? Probably not. 26 millimeter staples. I just thought maybe for $6.78 it did something more than just staple. You know what I mean? But super power save. What? I don't know, you guys. I think it's just a stapler. Because here's where you put the staples in. Right there. So, I don't know. It's kind of cool though, right? Alright, anyways, $6.78 for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out Sedata Furniture. I will leave all the links below for the farmhouse desk I got. I absolutely love that desk. It literally gives you a lot of space, but in a small area, which is great. Perfect for whatnot shows, homeschooling, studying. You know, if you have a kid going to college, it'd be perfect for them, or anything like that, to be honest. So, okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and God bless, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!